What's going on, Beamer fans? Welcome back to BeamerView. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, what we do here is showcase the latest BMWs that just hit the market. And today we have the 2022 BMW X4M. Alright guys, so for this video, we're going to talk about the 5 reasons why you should buy this beautiful 2022 BMW X4M. But before we get started guys, make sure you guys check out our brand new Amazon store. That's right, our Amazon store on Amazon.com is linked right down below of this video, and we have some pretty cool things like BMW M plate frames, keychains, key holders. We got some pretty cool USB-C ports because every new BMW comes with USB-C, and floor mats of course as well too. So definitely make sure you guys check that out before leaving this video. Alright, so reason number 1 is gonna go down to the looks. Now, if you guys were paying attention to the last couple of seconds of the video, we did do a quick little walk around of this beautiful vehicle, and I have to say that this is probably one of the most aggressive looking SUVs that I've ever seen in my life. Right off the bat, I have to mention that the color of this blue is absolutely beautiful. If you guys don't know what this is, it's actually the Marina Bay Blue. It's a really popular color for M vehicles that BMW has. Not only is the blue beautiful, but we also have to mention that this vehicle has the Shadowline packages, and it also has the extended Shadowline packages too, which includes the blacked out grille, the blacked out trim piecing around the windows, and let's not forget the beautiful aggressive looking Shadowline headlights. That's right, a new building option that BMW has for a ton of their vehicles is the ability, or is the custom option, to black out the headlights. So if you quickly look at this one, you can actually see that the headlight is completely blacked out, or at least tinted I should say, and it's a beautiful touch to this specific vehicle. I also love the fact that these rims are also on board as well. These rims are the 21-inch M double spoke bi-color wheels, style 892M, with performance non-run flat tires. And I have to say that these specific rims are my favorite rims of all time for BMW M vehicles. I've seen these equipped on an M8 and then they make the vehicle look absolutely amazing. It's the perfect tint of a darker shade of rim compared to the other ones, and I would highly recommend this rim if you guys are debating on it in person. It just looks absolutely amazing, and it gives the car a nice aggressive look. Reason number 2 is going to have to go to the power. So let's not forget guys, the X4M regular horsepower is going to be 479, but this specific X4M that we're looking at right here, this one is actually a competition version. So with that, you're going to get additional horsepower up to 503. And let's not forget, compared to the last generation of the X4M, this one's going to come with a whole lot more torque, and it's going to come a whole lot more responsively as well too. I must say that when I did test drive this vehicle around the parking lot and around the quick little course that we do have, the vehicle just absolutely picks up like crazy. The gas pedal is completely responsive, a lot more responsive compared to last generation. I do feel that the vehicle is just slightly more lighter, but it does feel a lot more responsive to the gas pedal, and the handling just feels a lot more smoother as well too. So 2 big things to point out here guys. The power is absolutely insane. Car and Driver, I believe, also has an article up too. They actually did a test run with the competition version, the one that we're looking at here, and their 0 to 60 time that they got was, believe it or not, a 3.3 seconds 0 to 60. That's right, it was that quick. It's faster than the rear-wheel drive BMW M3, the brand new one. So this car can also give that vehicle a run for its money. Reason number 3 on why I think you should buy this vehicle. I keep on saying beautiful. Anyways, reason number 3 guys is going to be technology. Now the 2022 and BMWs in general are just known for their great technology. This vehicle is equipped, ready to go with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the new 2022s actually come with a bigger screen. The screen size is going to be 12.3 inches, and it's also touchscreen as well too. So that's definitely one thing to point out. The technology in this vehicle is absolutely up to date. You're going to get the best bang for your buck in terms of technology as well. You can get upgraded speakers, you can get upgraded technology, and the best thing to mention too is that the technology in this vehicle is absolutely fluid. It's not like those other technology in the other cars where you have to do like a step-by-step input on where you want to go, like for your street address or for your city. With the BMWs, the brand new ones, you could actually just hit the voice command and just say it just like you would to a normal human being, and the car could recognize the address, or you could even say navigate to the closest Starbucks, and then the vehicle will take you there as well too. So the technology is smooth, it works just like the iPhone. and it's very intuitive. Reason number 4, guys, is going to have to come down to the practicality. Let's not forget that this 500 horsepower beast is still a SAV or a SUV after all. You still have big benefits, just such as being able to drive this 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive vehicle in the snow. Just make sure you get snow tires for this vehicle. No M tires is going to be ready to go in the snow unless you get proper winter setup for the vehicle. So definitely make sure for any M vehicle or even some of the 40i engines, make sure the vehicle can drive in the snow, because BMW loves to release these high horsepower vehicles without all-season tires. So if the vehicle has performance tires, do not drive the vehicle unless it has winter setup or a winter set of tires. Big thing to mention for your safety. Anyways, massive room in the back. If you're 6 feet tall, your head might touch the back a little bit, but if you're just going to be going for about 20 minutes, it's not going to be that big of a deal. You also get massive trunk space. Because of the coupe-like design, you do lose a little bit on the top side, but the trunk does open all the way up. So that's one big thing to mention. You're going to have tons of trunk space in the back, just like the regular X4. So the practicality for this vehicle is amazing. And last but not least, guys, reason number 5, I'm going to have to give it to how the vehicle stands out. Let's take a quick second and admire this beautiful vehicle. Okay, that was great. Now, guys, the X4M is a completely unique design, and especially this new one is completely updated with tail lights, the whole redesign on the inside. It's absolutely head turning, and especially if you see this blue one coming around or seen on the highway, you're not going to help yourself but to look at this vehicle. It completely stands out. It doesn't look like anything else on the road. I personally think that this is exactly how I would spec out my X4M. While we're checking out the inside, this interior customization that we're looking at, it is the black Alcantara with mid-rim beige. I personally think it looks amazing with this Marina Bay blue. Both of the colors complement each other perfectly, and going from the inside to the outside is a beautiful touch. Also, if you check out this cool little blue lighting along the side of the vehicle or inside of the vehicle, it has a nice little touch to that as well. Let's not forget this carbon fiber trim. You guys are seeing it right below the screen and right between the vents there. The carbon fiber is probably my favorite choice for this vehicle. You can get different trim pieces and all that, but the carbon fiber and the right lighting just pops like crazy, and it's totally worth it. Again, guys, if you guys see those center consoles nearby the shifter and nearby the AC vent, all that is all brand new, and it's completely updated and is super intuitive. Every single button there is so easy to use and perfectly placed, and it's a simplistic design, but there's so much technology going on once you get in depth into it. Not only on the outside is the vehicle going to stand up, but as we're looking at here inside the vehicle, the interior just completely stands out as well. You get some nice M badging right down there nearby the cup holders. This digital Live Cockpit Pro digital display is very intuitive as well too. Cannot beat this design, guys. But yeah, guys, the drive on this vehicle, my driving impressions, I'm absolutely blown away by it. It's probably one of the best driving M cars that I've driven. It doesn't even feel like a SUV. The steering on it is completely very tight, very responsive. As soon as you move the wheel, the whole car moves as well too. It's perfectly tuned. The car feels very planted. On the stiffness side, it does feel a little bit stiff. If you live in a part of the US or around the world or somewhere wherever you are, if the roads are a little bumpy, you are going to feel the bumps. And if that's the issue, I would drop your choice down to the M40i, because that's also a great vehicle and it sounds just as good as this one too. But the drive on this vehicle, guys, as long as you have the right roads, as long as you're not stuck in traffic all day, it is a must-have. The drive on it can completely blow away the competition. You can blow away every single vehicle, I think, from a dig or from a red light. And let's not forget that this is a X-Drive vehicle, so you're gonna have power going in all 4 wheels, and that's just something that will help you blow competition out the water. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to check out our shop. The link is right down below. Let me know if there's a part in there that you guys like, that I'll try to push out more. We still have a few more days until the new year, so I'm pretty excited for that. We're gonna be putting out hopefully try to do 2 to 3 videos a day. We got another X4M that's going to be coming up, and hopefully we're going to get some X3Ms more on the channel as well. We already have a few, but more the better, right? Why not? Shoot down questions right down below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Any questions you guys have, whether it's on this vehicle or some other one, I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and have a great day.